Hi, my name's Phil, and I work at Paragon Stairs. I bet you're wondering, don't stairs just come with houses?
I'm here to tell you that you can have a spiral, straight, curved, or custom staircase of your choosing built here on site at Paragon Stairs. We want to complete or enhance your home, vacation house, workplace, or commercial space.
In fact, that's why I'm here, to walk you through the steps of the Paragon Stair experience, from the first call to the finished stair. Let's take a look.
This is our customer service department. Your journey begins here with a simple phone call. Our friendly customer service representative's goal is to answer your questions and connect you with a design consultant when you are ready to pick sizes and materials. Next is our industry-leading design consultation team. They are experts at getting the correct measurements for your stairs and helping you pick out the materials and design you desire. Our design consultant's goal is to ensure that you are not just satisfied, but excited about your new staircase. We then send your staircase design to our team of SMA certified engineers. Our expert engineers draw up the CAD designs that go to our production floor in order to ensure absolute safety and stability, in addition to quality and beauty. Finally, our team of expert craftsmen go to work to build the ideal stairs you have designed. They put together your stairs with safety and durability first and foremost, while also providing an attention to detail and fine craftsmanship. Whether it's wood, iron, steel, aluminum, or galvanized, Paragon Stairs has the tools and staff to make your dream staircase a reality.
We here at Paragon Stairs look forward to bringing your stair concept to life. Give us a call.